ingredient apple pie cake recipe. So I have my angel food cake here, the one that says just add water. My apple pie filling. This part is totally optional, but I always add a bit more cinnamon and nutmeg just because I don't think it has enough, but it's totally optional. All right, gonna mix this together. Oh, yum. All right, then we're gonna take our 9x13 pan and grease it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. So now we're going to spread all this around. Now if you want some really delicious apple pie, right here, Dining on a Dime Volume 1. It is the best apple pie you will ever have in pie crust. This one we're just gonna call what? An apple pie cake. How about we call it that? There you go. We're gonna bake this in the oven, then we're gonna come back and cut it. Here is my 2-ingredient apple cake. Now, this is very optional, but if you want, you can add whipped cream or whipped topping. Oh my goodness. Yum, this looks so delicious.
Mmm. Yum. That's like an apple pie. That's really good. Mmm. Yum.